Everybody, welcome to Mountain Computers. Today I'm going to be helping one of my friends build a new gaming PC. It's going to be about $1,300. It should be pretty awesome. We're going to start getting stuff unboxed now, and I'm going to leave this as a short intro. So, get ready. So those are the parts. We're going to get down to building. I probably will skip through most of that because Julio's camera shy. And we'll see you afterwards with a completed build. See you in a second.
So, as you guys can probably tell, this clip is being shot a little bit later. Julio's build turned out pretty great. He's been playing a lot of Dark Souls instead of doing his schoolwork like he probably should be doing more often. But yeah, he says it's pretty great. I might come up with a benchmarking video soon, kind of depending on how much time I have. There's definitely been kind of a lack of videos lately on the channel. That's because I've been away for, like I've said before, winter break from college, and so I think I'm getting ready to start pumping out some more videos now, though. Maybe not like one every week, but at least every other week I'm going to try and have a video out for now. I also got a new mic. You won't have heard that in any of the rest of the clips for this video, but at least in this clip you're hearing the, I'm sure many of you have heard of it, Blue Yeti. So hopefully I'll be stepping up the audio game for the channel here now. And I think that's about it, guys. Like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you really like the channel. It really helps us out here. And I think with that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Have a good one, guys.